Good evening, members of teaching fraternity, student participants. Myself, CA Bharat Khatri, Department of Accountancy, hereby set in motion the webinar on Career in Finance and Accounting, organized by Seva Sadan RK Talreja College, Ulasnagar, Department of Accountancy, in association with Financial Planning Academy. On the webinar platform, we have with us eminent speaker, Mr. Zahir Syed, Director, Financial Planning Academy, Dr. Geeta Menon, Chairperson and In-Charge Principal, CA Ramesh Baweja, Convener and the HOD of Department of Accountancy. I will unfold the schedule as you cruise through the webinar. I request Professor Varghese Alexander, coordinator, to proceed with the welcome addresses. Yeah.
A warm good evening to all attending this webinar as guests, host, or as participants. On behalf of the college, management and administration, I am privileged to go ahead with the welcome address. Mr. Zahir Syed, Director of Financial Planning Academy, is our resource person for today. He is a chartered accountant with more than 10 years of global work experience. He has worked in more than 4 countries and has authored over 20 titles. A visiting faculty at Pune University, he is good at imparting professional and soft skill knowledge. For the next 90 minutes, we will have a rich, informative, fruitful, and rewarding experience. On behalf of RKT College, I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Zahir Syed. I now take this opportunity to welcome Chartered Accountant Mr. Ramesh Baweja, Head of the Department of Accountancy, RK Talreja College. He is the host, but actually the chief guest for today on account of his retirement from service. This webinar is his parting gift to us that we would always cherish with love and respect. Honesty makes me admit that without a chairperson who cooperates, this webinar could never be held. Besides, without the guarantee of an e-certificate digitally signed by the principal, this webinar would be devoid of its luster. Dr. Geeta Menon, our in-charge principal, has helped us to put things in place in a matter of 3 days, for which I extend her a warm welcome. Each one should get the welcome that he or she deserves. Participants who are registered in large numbers deserve the warmest welcome. I am sure you will make this webinar a grand success. Let me close this webinar with a signature COVID-19 Namaste. Once again, a very warm welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I hope you enjoyed the warm welcome extended to all of you. I now request Dr. Geeta Menon, Chairperson and In-Charge Principal, to say few words on this occasion. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Khatri sir. A very warm good evening to one and all. Dear participants, in the event of COVID-19 pandemic, I request you all to stay home, stay safe, and take care. Actually, COVID-19, the small virus, has changed the global scenario of each and every field, be it an education field, banking, medical, commerce, e-commerce, and you name it. My dear student friends, a small word of advice. You all accept the scenario as a challenge and look for the best option according to your own potential, passion, and capacity. Try to look for different path, the road that can lead to you to take up different placements, jobs, and be established in life as a successful person. In RK Talreja College, we have been organizing different webinars keeping the student in mind. We are looking for opportunities to keep our students motivated, engaged, and be bold to face the future. The Department of Accountancy has organized this webinar, Career in Finance and Accounting, in association with the Financial Planning Academy, to guide you, to help you in choosing your career. Let me just put a word. Commerce and Accounts is the faculty which gives out largest number of students every year from the Mumbai University. To address you all, we have amidst us an eminent, experienced personality, Zahid Syed, Director of Financial Planning Academy. I welcome you, sir. I congratulate all the participants here. May the students, the faculty from different colleges across the country, my own colleagues from the department, other than Commerce and Accounts also. I wish all my colleagues a very, a best of luck from the, especially Vice Principal Neelam Kapoor Madam, HOD from Accounts Department, CA Baveja sir. It's actually a gift from RKT College for his service in RKT College. My Alexander sir, the other colleague member of the department, and those who have worked behind the curtain to bring this seminar and make it possible today. I really congratulate you all and all the best to you. Thank you. Please, Khatri sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. That was a short and sweet address from our beloved principal, showing warmth and concern. I now request CA Ramesh Baveja sir, convener and head of the Department Accounts, to steer us towards the start of the webinar. To you, sir.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this webinar and today's session. Today's session is basically towards career in finance and accounting, which is the evergreen field in the field of commerce. I welcome you all and thank you for joining this webinar. And I'm really pleased to have with us Mr. Zahid Syed, who is a Director of Financial Planning Academy, Mumbai, and a very prolific orator. He has conducted n number of webinars and is a faculty at Pune University. That has already been told by my colleague, Professor Alexander. And let me tell you one very good thing about him, and that is he is very humble, very magnanimous. At a very short notice, he has accepted our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. I am really thankful to him that he is going to guide our students and also other faculty members who have joined this webinar for the purpose of enrichment of their knowledge. And also it is definitely going to add value to their knowledge. And it is going to be helpful to the faculties also, so that the faculties can help the students navigate to decide the career options which are available in the field of finance and accounting. Not much to say about Mr. Zahid Syed. He is very professionally known. He is very professionally known in the professional circles as a very helpful, very passionate, very dedicated, and very committed to the field of accounting, to the field of spreading of the accounting knowledge, imparting knowledge, and really I'm very thankful to him that he has accepted our invitation at a very short notice. And I'm really also thankful that his technical team has worked for the last 3 days on a war footing, and it has therefore been possible to really make this seminar a reality. I now hand over the mic to Professor Zahid Syed to take you for the next 60 minutes or so on the journey towards career in finance and accounting. Thank you. Over to Bharat sir.
Thank you, sir. That was a beautiful introduction by our HOD before the speaker of the today can address us. And now the moment for which we are all waiting for. The floor is open for Mr. Zahir Sayyed, Director of Financial Planning Academy, to share his views with the participants. All the participants are requested to post their queries on the chat box so that speaker can address question at the end of the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you everyone. Really, it's an honor to be here, and absolutely very kind of Dr. Ramesh Baveja sir for giving all that lovely introduction. I am absolutely indebted for your kind words, sir. And of course, to Principal Ma'am and the whole team at the college, for giving us the opportunity to do this seminar. We will try our level best to make sure that the students, faculties, everyone who is logged in today, I can see almost 150 people there. Everyone, gets at least something from our seminar today. Before I proceed, I would, request Vishal Gadda, who's my colleague at Financial Planning Academy, just to take a couple of minutes to talk about the organization so that, the people know exactly where I come from. Yeah. So, Vishal, over to you. If you want to have a quick introduction.
Hi, Zahir, Baveja sir. It's an honor for us to be in this collaboration with RK Talreja College. I'll just have a minute to just introduce what all things we do at FPA. So Financial Planning Academy, we are one of the largest education CFP certification in India. Apart from doing CFP certification, we are also doing a program called ACCA, which is Chartered Accountancy from UK. Apart from doing UK-based ACCA certification, we are also training students on US-based certification called CMA. We are also running a program called Postgraduate Certification into Finance and Accountancy, Banking and Finance, basically wherein we train students for 4 months and we place them with a private sector banks with a operations profile. Apart from addressing to B2C crowd, we are also one of the largest corporate training company for banking and financial service industry. Just to give you the scale at which we are working at corporate training side, last financial year, we have trained 40,000 working professionals from banking and financial service industry, wherein we reached out to them across 150 cities in India, and we catered to the workforce of 32 corporates. All of you must be aware that there is a huge campaign going on by AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds in India, that is Mutual Fund Sahi Hai. Now, under Mutual Fund Sahi Hai campaign, we have been conducting 2,000 investor awareness programs across India, and we are making people aware about the importance of personal finance. Apart from this, we are also SEBI empaneled CPE partners. So in India, there are only 6 companies who have got this license to conduct CPE programs. And we have our presence at Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Raipur. We are working with roughly 80 odd colleges across India on various kind of skill development programs. And definitely we are honored again to be working with Architect College. So I'll just request Zahir to take charge of the session. Over to you, Zahir.
Thank you so much, Vishal. Thanks for giving the overview of the organization. So without further ado, we will start the session today. Just quickly, because, this is an online session, it is important that I make these, small disclaimers. The first thing is that because this is an internet-based seminar, unfortunately, it comes with small limitations. Like, for example, if there is any problem with the internet, now the internet problem could be at our end, your end, etc. If it is at my end, I will come to know. We will take a pause. Hopefully, it's not a big one. And then, the session will resume absolutely fine. We must have done hundreds of sessions, and so far things have been absolutely okay. If it is at your end, the internet is not working, your screen might get frozen for a little while. Please, wait for a few seconds. If it does not get fixed, log out and log in again. That is the best way to, resume your session. Because if you, try to put in a question or a message or even raise your hands, there is very little that me or anyone at the college can do anything about it. Yeah. So that's one of the key things that you need to know. And the second thing is that, this is supposed to be an interactive session. So what I would like to do is, I have put together few slides, not too many, a few slides, just to run you through what are the career options available for finance and accounting folks. As Ramesh sir rightly said, that the opportunities are endless. Yeah. And it is important that the students know what are the exact opportunities available, because you might have a very limited view about the kind of things that are being done in the finance and accounting. Yeah. So the idea is, I run you through the few slides, and then we can have question and answer at the end of the session. Yeah. So that is how I would like us to run. If anyone has a question in between, you can post it. As soon as the session is over, we will start taking them in that order. Yeah. All right. So with that, let's start with today's session, careers in finance and accounting. First things first, obviously, what do you mean by career? Yeah, because most often what people do is that they confuse their job to their career. Yeah. A career is not something that you do कि मैंने जाके weekend पे 2 घंटा किसी के वहां जाके मैंने काम कर लिया, या मैंने फ्री में जाके थोड़ा टाइम पास कर लिया और वो मैं अपना करियर बना सकता हूँ, मैं अपना जॉब बना सकता हूँ. A career is where it's a series of jobs that you do during your working life, especially if you continue to get better jobs and earn more money. Yeah. The reason why I have highlighted those two things is because you all need to be aspirational. In my 14-15 years of work experience, and I can't recollect if we mentioned, see, I have worked at Big Four as an auditor. I have worked in multiple MNCs as a finance and accounting person. And my last job was working at a Swiss bank as a financial controller or as a deputy director, CFO. Yeah. So in all of these roles, what I have seen is there are so many people out there who have an aspiration ki jaise chal raha hai waise chalne do. Yeah. So they start as a junior accountant and they end their career as a junior accountant as well. That is not a career. Yeah. That is probably just a job that you have picked it up. तुमको मिल गई जैसे तैसे करके, and you've stuck to it because you're scared. Yeah. A job cannot convert into a career unless you are getting better at it. Now again, I understand आप लोग straight away लग रहा होगा कि सर बोल रहे हैं कि जितना jump मारेंगे उतना अच्छा job हो जाएगा, career हो जाएगा. No. What I mean to say is, even in your same organization, I have worked at one organization for 8 years. Yeah, so there is no one out there who can tell me better about staying put in one organization. I stayed in one organization. Okay. So staying in one organization also can result in a good career if you continue to learn. Yeah. आप junior accountant बनते हो, फिर senior accountant बनते हो, for manager बनते हो, senior manager बनते हो, controller बनते हो, CFO बनते हो. That is a career as well in one organization, because I see a lot of kids today, they come and talk to me. So I am quite active on LinkedIn, sir bata rahe the. Yeah, so I usually help out a lot of people on LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. So they're like, yeah, sir, 1 saal ho gaya hai, can I take a jump now? No, you need to find out, why do you want to take a jump? Is it because it is going to help you in your career? And as I said, your career is, are you going to do something more than what you were doing already? Are you going to earn better money? Yeah. So therefore, it's a common mistake that people think कि job कर रहा हूँ. Job is career, job and career are the same thing. They are two different things. Okay. Now, coming to the topic today, yeah, which is finance and accounting. Again, in my introduction, I did not mention the fact that I have also, recently started teaching as a visiting faculty in some of the colleges. So I teach at Mitibai in BAF. I teach at Jai Hind at, for BFM. So basically, and this is all because, you know, I enjoy teaching, you know, I like to interact with students. Okay. And again, what I saw is that when I talk about finance and accounting, students straight away think that they are two same things. Yeah. It is important that you understand that finance and accounting both are completely different. Yeah. Finance की जो jobs होती है वो completely different होती है. Accounting की जो jobs होती है वो completely different होती है, right? Finance is the management of money, investments for individuals, corporations, governments, etc. On the other hand, accounting is recording, maintaining, reporting of financial records. तो अगर आपको simplified manner में भी देखना है, जब आप accounting की बात करते हो, it is largely your historical data, a historical data which you use to, you know, prepare a report, to maybe use a forecast, etc., etc. Finance, on the other hand, is largely playing with money. Yeah, and hence the word finance, right? So if you are, you know, managing funds, now that funds can be managed for an individual. Okay, there are lots of wealth managers, etc., that you see today. If you're doing it for an individual, you're doing it for an organization, you're doing it in the public sector. Yeah, that is finance. Okay, so it is important that, because I have been told that most of you are, you know, in your first year degree, second year degree, and final year degree as well. Yeah, it is important that you try and figure out what is your main interest. Do you like to be in a field where it is all surrounded by money talks? किधर पैसा लगाना चाहिए, किधर से पैसा मिलेगा, किधर किससे investment करवा सकते हैं, you know, all those kind of things are your finance. You know, your decision making is towards the financial decisions. Accounting to reporting is more towards your back office. You know, जहाँ आपके पास में सारा काम हो रहा है, वो सारा आपके पास आता है. And after that, you start to do, you know, your analysis, sometimes paralysis as well on the numbers. Okay. Now, a lot of people, you know, and this is, I'm sure, sare faculties jo baithe hue hain, they will all agree. A lot of times, students will come to them and say, "Kare sir, pata nahi ye hum logon ne commerce leke, accounts leke sahi kiya hai ki nahi kiya. Aap engineer ko dekho, करोड़ों रुपए मिल रहे हैं, लाखों रुपए मिल रहे हैं, and we are not getting nothing." That is absolutely very short-sighted view, I must say. Yeah. Finance and accounting field is probably the most recession-proof field you will ever be in, because no matter what happens, people continue to record, people continue to, you know, continue to need, they continue, you know, to require the money to run the business. Yeah. They continue to do the business, and then they need to record the transactions. They continue to pay taxes. Now, all of these things, I don't know how many of you are into the GST, etc. They will also agree with me कि लॉकडाउन के वजह से ज्यादा क्या हो गया, एक डेढ़ महीने का बीच में लीव मिल गया. Now again they are back to work, and they are again starting to work. Yeah. So आंधी आए, तूफान आए, finance and accounting professionals will always have work. The other good news is, because कैसा हो जाता है, आपके बहुत सारे लोग क्या करेंगे, लोग कपड़े पहनना कम कर देंगे, लोग बाहर खाना खाना कम कर देंगे, बट फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंटिंग लोगों को लगता रहेगा, अगर पैसे कम हो गए तो बैंक के पास जाके पैसे मांगेंगे, पैसे ज्यादा हो गए तो पैसे लगाएंगे मार्केट में जाके इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे. सो यू कैन सी व्हाटएवर द सिनेरियो विल बी, द फाइनेंस एंड उसके पीछे के जो आपके अकाउंटिंग प्रोफेशनल्स होते हैं जो ये सारा रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, they will always be in the business. Yeah. So please don't ever think कि पता नहीं हम लोगों को साइंस ले लेना चाहिए था, शायद हम लोग उधर ज्यादा बेटर होते, हम कंप्यूटर्स में घुस जाते. That is absolutely not the case. You will in fact find that finance and accounting folks are on par when it comes to salary and the years of experience. Yeah, of course you need the years of experience to make high salaries. आप you know first year में ही आपको you know करोड़ों की सैलरी नहीं मिलेगी. वो जो आप लोग पेपर में देखते हो कि IIT के ये बंदे को 1 करोड़ मिल गया, 2 करोड़ मिल गया, it is all you know marketing gimmick. Okay, let's face it. You know, these students are being hired in the US, in the UK, in the European countries where the foreign currency difference comes in, right? So please don't get ever fully carried away. Yes, it is good money, but it is not something that you guys can't do. Yeah, you guys can equally have very good careers. Just need to stay focused. Yeah. So this slide is about where are they working? So the finance and accounting is working everywhere. चाहे वो छोटी सी दुकान हो, वहां भी लोगों को अकाउंटेंट की जरूरत पड़ती है अपना ईयर एंड पे अकाउंट्स बनाने के लिए. एंड अ लार्ज company like Reliance Industries will also need accounting and finance people. चाहे आप न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर में हो, चाहे आप पब्लिक सेक्टर में हो, चाहे आप क्लोथ्स बेचते हो, चाहे आप मिसाइल बेचते हो, you need the finance and accounting folks. Yeah, so it is important that you understand that you are in a very, very lucrative area. It is then about how you make the best use of it. Okay, now ये मैंने एक मोटी मोटी कैटेगरी डाली हुई है. What are your common jobs available in the finance and accounting, right? So when we talk about the finance side of things, you will have corporate finance, personal finance, and public finance. Yeah, which is corporate is businesses के finance कैसे manage करते हैं. Personal finance is where you do wealth management for individuals, high net individuals, छोटे मोटे individuals like us. And then you have public finance. Now, when you talk about public finance, remember public is government sector, right? Public sector is government sector. Yeah. So you work for the government in their organizations. And then when you talk about the accounting side में, again, the wider categories are financial accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, and audits. Okay. Now these are your broad categories. Now I must say, a lot of times there will be some intermingling. जैसे कि corporate finance वाले थोड़ा financial accounting में भी आ जाएंगे, management accounting में भी आ जाएंगे, management accounting वाले थोड़े public finance में भी आ जाएंगे. So there is sometimes a very fine line between the jobs. However, you should know at least these are your broad categories of jobs available. Now this is your crux. Okay, आज का जो conversation है वो focus है around this slide. So if anyone was not paying attention until now is the time that you start paying attention. Okay, so these are some of, not all, but at least some of the jobs that people do when they pick up a finance and accounting career. Okay, so I will say start with say for example accounting. ठीक है, अगर मैं accounting की बात करूं, yeah, one of the very, very basic jobs that accountants can get is bookkeeping. Now bookkeeping is something that you guys are probably already aware of, which is where you record transactions. आपने सामान बेचा तो आपने ये डेबिट किया, आपने ये क्रेडिट किया, आपने सामान खरीदा तो ये अकाउंट किया डेबिट, ये अकाउंट क्रेडिट किया. So bookkeeping is really keeping of books, wherein you are maintaining any and every transaction that is taking place. Now for anyone who aspires to become a reporting specialist, आपको finalization अच्छा लगता है, आपको year ends अच्छे लगते हैं, आपको IFRS standards and ये सारी चीजें अच्छी लगती है, bookkeeping is probably the first job that you're looking at. Yeah, because that will give you a base on how do you go about making an actual balance sheet, an actual P&L, an actual cash flow. Because of course जो आप books में देखते हो versus what happens in the real world, they will always be different. Yeah, sometimes थोड़ा format अलग होगा, the nature of transactions अलग होंगे, and most importantly, every organization uses systems today. Yeah, so आप कोई office में जाके, and I pray and I hope that आप लोग सब अच्छी large organizations में लगे, MNCs में लगे, they don't use book and pen and आप pencil बनाते हो, pencil से line खींच के आप उधर एक side पे debit लिखोगे, एक side पे credit लिखोगे, वो सब नहीं होता. It is all done within a system. All the transactions आपने एक record किया sale की transaction, automatically सारा जो account में debit credit होना है, आपने credit पे sale किया है, वहाँ receivable भी खड़ा हो गया या revenue की एंट्री भी रिकॉर्ड हो गई, वहां अकाउंट्स के पास में जाके एक आउटस्टैंडिंग इनवॉइस की एंट्री भी खड़ी हो गई. ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंस ऑटोमेटिकली. तो आपका जो सिस्टम है आज के टाइम पे, एवरीथिंग दे आर डूइंग इट एट अ सिंगल टच पॉइंट. एक बारी सिस्टम को हाथ लगाया आपने और आपका सारा काम हो जाता है. सो वन ऑफ द अदर टॉपिक्स दैट आई यूजुअली टॉक अबाउट इज रोबोटिक्स एंड प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशन. how the RPA is changing the environment. Because in my 15 years of working experience, I did get an opportunity to work with organizations that exposed us to lots of RPA. कि कैसे आप accounts को automate कर सकते हो to make sure that there is lesser requirement of people at that level, and then of course you can save time, so it makes quick, you save money, etc., etc. But I'll not go into that. Just making sure that that in the MNCs today, almost everything is driven by systems. Yeah. तो आप अगर accountancy में आपको interest है, you like reporting, you like IFRS, you like Ind AS, तो आप bookkeeping से आप अपना career शुरू कर सकते हो. Now people usually ask कि किधर लगना चाहिए? Bookkeeping आप कहीं भी कर सकते हो. You find a छोटी मोटी दुकान आप कर लो, आप कोई छोटा मोटा ऑफिस मिल जाए, go for a practice. Practice normally क्या करती है? ये बहुत से छोटे businesses की bookkeeping करती है. You might be able to do bookkeeping with them. Yeah, so that is probably one place you can start. The next thing that I want to talk about is audits. Okay, मैं finance सबसे end में आऊंगा. पहले मैं accounts के side का सारा मैं cover कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है? Audits. Now audits में क्या होता है? People straight away think that ऑडिट्स में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके ये जो स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट्स होते हैं जो लिस्टेड कंपनीज कराते हैं या पब्लिक कंपनीज कराते हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. यू शुड नो दैट ऑडिट्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ लिस्टेड कंपनीज नहीं कराती, ऑडिट सिर्फ पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनीज नहीं कराती या पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनीज नहीं कराती है. ऑडिट्स आर ऑल्सो डन बाय लॉट्स ऑफ MNCs. दे आर ऑल्सो डन बाय स्टार्टअप्स एज वेल दीज डेज. ना आप सब लोग सोच रहे हो स्टार्टअप वालों की क्या जरूरत है, थोड़ी उनके पास में 250 करोड़ है और 500 करोड़ है. बिकॉज आई एम श्योर आप लोग सब लोग अभी फटाक से गूगल पे देखोगे कि लिस्टिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या होती है एंड ऑल दैट. नो, आज के टाइम पे इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टुडे वेयर वी आर सीकिंग फंड्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. ओके, वी आर इनवाइटिंग people from the UK, US, everywhere, including China से भी हम बुला रहे थे. वो तो आज हम थोड़ा उनको पुश कर रहे हैं. But all these years we have been taking funds from all of these places. Now these places, they will invest in your organizations only when they can trust your accounts, and those trust can be built only when you have got your accounts audited. So therefore a lot of people think कि अरे audit में क्या होगा, वही गधा मजदूरी होती है, वही आपको जाके फैक्ट्री में जाके बैठना होता है. Because some of you, I don't know if you have, at least हमने तो, और रमेश सर भी अग्री करेंगे कि आर्टिकल शिफ्ट में मेहनत बहुत कराते हैं, बहुत भागम भाग होती है. but the fact is those are key learnings. मैं अगर आज मुझे बहुत learning है about bookkeeping, about accounting, about taxation, is because of my initial period at Ernst & Young, क्योंकि वहां मुझे statutory audits काफी अच्छे से सीखने मिला. But nevertheless, not everyone gets into the EY, so try any practice. Do the statutory audits if you can. If you don't get statutory audits, look for internal audits. A lot of people know bookish knowledge about it, but I can tell you internal audits are probably equally big, if not bigger, than your stat audits. Because internal audit ऐसा department है, ये आप कराते ही कराते हो आजकल. आप या तो within in an organization you will have an internal audit department, or what you will do, you will ask an external organization to come and audit you. So as I was saying, statutory audits, yes, it is important for the listed companies, but internal audits have started to become very, very critical from the point of view, if you are going out to the market, asking for money, asking for funds, loans, etc., चाहे वो investors हो, bankers हो, आपको अपनी books audited रखनी पड़ती है. ठीक है? So internal audits are equally big. You should see Big Four में बहुत opportunities आती है. So when I started my career in Ernst & Young in statutory audits, a lot of my friends who did ACCA, they started their career in the internal audits, and we all are doing really well. So please don't ever go with the view कि पता नहीं internal audit में क्या सीखने मिलेगा. सब जगह सीखने मिलता है, सीखने वाला चाहिए, right? You need to make sure that you open your eyes, open your ears, and be ready to absorb. Don't undermine any job. मैंने ये realize किया है that because now with the lockdown everything, we are having to do everything ourselves. चाहे फिर वो बर्तन धोना हो, चाहे वो झाड़ू लगाना हो, चाहे जाके वो bread अंडा लाना हो. There are so many learnings that are happening You know, I was just recently giving an example about inflation. I said, अब inflation देखो, मैं brown bread पहले 35 रुपए का लेता था, within lockdown period ही 40 रुपए हो गया. Now, if you see, that is a big inflation. Yeah. Now, I was trying to explain to them how inflation can impact your decision making as a CFO. And ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें you can always learn. So, you know, it is a very genuine advice to all the students, especially who think यार ये job में क्या सीखने मिलता है. Let me tell you, मेरी life की key learnings आई है when I was selling clothes at one of the stores. Yeah. So don't undermine any job, चाहे वो sales हो, accounting हो, you can learn from everywhere. Okay. coming to now management accounting. जैसे कि मैंने डाला हुआ है वहाँ forecasting. Yeah. Forecasting, financial planning and analysis. These are some of the other things that the accountants do. तो जो bookkeeping है वो financial accounting है, forecasting, financial planning. वैसे मुझे actually ये financial planning नहीं डालना चाहिए because वो straight away फिर personal wealth management में चले जाता है. And hence I was saying that this role, which is a combination of finance and management accounting, you can see मैंने inadvertently उसको साथ में डाला हुआ है because that is how the world is today. You can't be just a management accountant. You can't be just a finance person. You are required to have a knowledge of both. So while I'm talking about forecasting, which is all about understanding how your current spends is, आपका P&L कैसे move कर रहा है, आपका budget कितना है, आपको कितना forecast लगेगा, you know how much money you will need. Because आज के टाइम पे अगर देखें, कोई भी अगर Jan से December का अगर year end रखता है, right? Everyone अगर जैन से दिसंबर का ईयर एंड है तो बाय दिसंबर 2019 लोगों ने अपने फोरकास्ट बना लिए थे कि हमको 2020 में इतना सेल करना है, इतना हमको पैसे लगेंगे, इतने हमको लोग लगेंगे. नाउ आई एम श्योर एवरी सिंगल वन ऑफ यू अब अपना सर हिला रहा होगा इफ आई आस्क यू कि क्या उनका वो प्लान सक्सेसफुल हुआ है. डेफिनेटली नॉट, राइट? बिकॉज द कोविड हैज चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग नाउ. तो आपके ये जो मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट होते हैं, they work with the CFO etc. and try to understand कि अगर हमारी सेल इतनी स्लो चल रही है, the market outside is looking this way, wherein the things are not moving in the way we want to. How can we make sure कि हमारा business sustain करे and continue to grow as well? Yeah, you will be surprised there are still companies who are talking about growth. कल ही मैं सलील पारेख, who is the CEO of Infosys, I hope आप लोग सब लोगों ने Infosys का नाम सुना होगा, right? वो उनके जो इंटरव्यू में कहीं भी ये नहीं था कि बर्बाद हो गए, धंधा बंद हो गया, ये हो गया. He is absolutely positive. He said yes, times are tough, but we know for a fact कि अब तो और भी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है जहां हम और लोगों को टेक्नोलॉजी बेचेंगे. And that is what we are. As Indians, we are resilient. We like to make sure that we forget everything. We will continue to grow. And so should you all be. Yeah. So try and find opportunities around you. And this is what management accountants do. They constantly update themselves, constantly make sure कि अगर कोई चीज चेंज करना है, फोरकास्ट में, प्लान में, पैसा कम लगेगा, ज्यादा लगेगा, लोन ले लिया है लेकिन पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है, बैंक को वापस कर दो. लोन कम लिया हुआ था, ग्रोथ ज्यादा दिख रही है, पैसे और लेने पड़ेंगे, अब वो कहाँ से ले? क्या सो वो मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट बता देगा हमको इतने पैसे चाहिए, अब वो पैसे लाने कहाँ से, वो आपका फाइनेंस पर्सन करता है. Yeah, so that is why I said financial planning and analysis एक combined team होती है. So when I was at the bank, I was part of this team wherein I was doing the management accounting as well as I was working with my CFO to tell him कि देखो सर अभी इतना खर्चा हो गया है, अभी इतने इवेंट्स बाकी हैं, इतना मार्केटिंग में लगेगा, इतना HR में लगेगा, इतना ब्रांडिंग में लगेगा, etc etc. Yeah, so that is to do with the management accounting. Then coming towards the fourth aspect of accounting is your tax. Taxation में obviously थोड़ा सा लोग गलत वे में लेते हैं टैक्स वालों के, अरे इन लोग तो सिर्फ चोरी करना सिखाते हैं. It is not about that. Yeah, tax is a very big field and there are lots of jobs. Yeah, one is your regular taxation जो आप करते हो, which is for individuals. इंडिविजुअल्स में भी आपके पास में there are things like capital gains tax. बहुत से लोगों को इनहेरिटेंस मिलती है, there are multiple different types of taxation that you can do in individual taxation as well. It is not about just कि you know month year के end पे गए अपना ATC निकाला, हमने देखा कितना इन्वेस्ट किया है, कितना स्कूल की फीस भरी है और वो डाल के टैक्सेशन का हमने कर दिया, रिटर्न फाइल कर दिया. Taxation has got a lot more opportunity than what we see right now. आपको लगता है टैक्स में सिर्फ ये फाइलिंग का काम होता है 300 रुपए वाला? No, there is lot of other works as well. अगर आपने कोई चीज बेची आपको उस पे कैपिटल गेन्स भरना पड़ता है. अगर आपको कहीं से इनहेरिटेंस आया है, you know someone passed away in your family and they gave you an inheritance, बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी दे दी, बड़ी आपको you know पेंटिंग दे दी 100 करोड़ वाली, you know I hope ऐसा हो. So you know ये सारी चीजें भी टैक्स वाले बंदे ही आपको बताते हैं यार. So that is to do with an individual level. So if you want to become an expert as to how to manage taxes in all of these categories, go for individual taxation. Try and become an expert. You can start working at a practice. वहां से आप धीरे धीरे see you know क्योंकि आप जितने बड़े प्रैक्टिस में जाओगे उतने बड़े बड़े आपको सिनारियोज आएंगे. क्योंकि आप छोटे प्रैक्टिस में जाओगे of course you know you most likely will start with रेगुलर आपके जो ईयर एंड के आपके फाइलिंग होती है. बट जैसे जैसे आप बड़े बड़े प्रैक्टिस में जाओगे you will be able to learn more complicated stuff as well. Okay, now that is to do with the individual taxation. If I talk about taxation at a company level, वहां तो और भी वैरायटी मिलती है आपकी. I will take one job over there which is known as transfer pricing. Now transfer pricing is such a technical piece of work because यहाँ आप agree करते हो अपने ही सब्सिडरी के साथ में, चाहे वो विद इन इंडिया हो आउटसाइड इंडिया हो, कि भाई कितने प्राइस पे हमको वहां से खरीदना चाहिए और बेचना चाहिए. Now people who are familiar with this topic, they will know ये बड़ा ही sensitive issue है, क्योंकि especially companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, all of these large IT companies, businesses, इन्होंने क्या किया हुआ है, they have set their businesses in low tax places. जैसे कि आयरलैंड है, आयरलैंड में कॉर्पोरेशन टैक्स रेट्स आर वेरी लो. तो ये कंपनीज ने क्या किया हुआ है, अपने सारे मेन ऑफिसेज रजिस्टर वहां कर दिए हैं और बिजनेस ये पूरी दुनिया में कर रहे हैं. तो करते क्या है कि आयरलैंड में ऑफिस है, आयरलैंड से सारा चार्जेस आता है टू ऑल ऑफ दीज कंट्रीज इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया. तो आयरलैंड से वो चार्ज करेंगे अमेजोन वाले कि भाई हमारे जेफ बेजोस की सैलरी है 100 करोड़ रुपया. तो अगर अमेजोन इंडिया ने 100 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट किया हुआ है तो वो 100 करोड़ तो यहीं से उड़ जाएगा उनका, क्योंकि वो आयरलैंड को पे करना है आपको, क्योंकि अमेजोन का सीईओ तो एक ही होगा ना. सो दिस इज नोन एज बेस इरोजन एंड प्रॉफिट शिफ्टिंग. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक है, मैं टैक्सेशन नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, बट इट इज जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज दैट दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग. लोगों को ना फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंटिंग वालों को बड़ा ड्राई समझते हैं. भाई हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग काम करते हैं यार, हम लोग दिखाते नहीं है, ओके, बट we do lots of interesting work. There is lot to be done. Yeah, so base erosion, profit shifting, transfer pricing, all of these things you can learn under taxation, चाहे आप corporate level पे करो या तो individual level पे करो, ठीक है. So this is to do with all of your taxation. Now let's move to talking about the finance field, because as I said आपके पास में accounting है, जहाँ आपके पास में financial accounting है, जहाँ bookkeeping कर सकते हो, reporting कर सकते हो. आपके पास में मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग है जहां फोरकास्टिंग कर सकते हो, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग एंड एनालिसिस कर सकते हो. देन यू हैव ऑडिट्स जहां आप इंटरनल ऑडिट्स कर सकते हो, स्टैट ऑडिट्स कर सकते हो. एंड देन यू हैव योर टैक्सेशन जिसमें आप टैक्स प्लानिंग कर सकते हो एट एन इंडिविजुअल और एट अ कॉर्पोरेट लेवल. ओके, ये आपकी हो गई सारी अकाउंटिंग क्वालिफिकेशंस. नाउ एज आई सेड समवन यू नो बहुत से लोग होते हैं, जैसे मेरा छोटा भाई है, उसको पैसा मैनेज करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. मैं हमेशा से रिकॉर्ड वाला था, उसको हमेशा से पैसे मैनेज करने अच्छे लगते थे, राइट. नाउ दैट इज यू नो that's his forte. He is doing really well, and this is how you recognize कि are you someone who likes to understand कि भाई पैसे कहाँ लगाने चाहिए, कहाँ से पैसे मिल पाएंगे, what is it that we can do with that money. Because देखो पैसे कई बार निकालना इजी होता है लेकिन उसको लगाए कहाँ, या तो CFO का आई डोंट नो आपके FM में आपने ऑलरेडी सीखा है कि नहीं सीखा है, बट CFO का प्राइमरी जो काम होता है वो 3 होता है, ठीक है. एक होता है पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, दूसरा होता है पैसे कहाँ लगाएंगे, और तीसरा होता है डिविडेंड कितना देंगे. या ये 3 चीजें होती हैं जो आपके CFO साहब के मेन प्राइमरी जॉब होती है. या सो यू कैन इमेजिन CFO जिनको आप करोड़ों रुपए सैलरी दे रहे हो, उनके ये 3 ही काम. Okay, so it is very, very important that as a finance person, you know what are you going to do with the money and how you're going to invest. So in the finance field as well, as I said, there are at a personal level, at a corporate level, and at a public sector level. Now, because finance is similar everywhere, let me talk about what are the kind of jobs you might be able to do in a finance and in a finance side of things, right? Investment banking. बहुत से लोग आते हैं कि सर आईबी में जाना है, सुना है वहां बहुत लाखों करोड़ों रुपए सैलरी मिलते हैं, यू नो गोल्डमैन सैक्स में लगना है, यूबीएस बैंक में लगना है, यू नो जब मैं काम करता हूँ, बिकॉज वी हैव अ वेरी लार्ज इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक आर्म, you know, we want to work in JP Morgan and all that. Yes, you know, it's very, very, you know, lucrative position, and you can actually make a lot of money. There is no denying over there. But the fact is, see, they hire, especially these big banks, hire people who are qualified professionals. Yeah, highly qualified professionals, people who are really, really good. Yeah, तो वो आपके ICAI के पास भी आएंगे, ACCA के पास भी जाएंगे, IIM के पास भी जाएंगे, वो सबके पास जाते हैं, and they only hire the best. तो हमारे बैंक में भी, you know, every year they will, you know, go in all of these big MBA colleges और वो लेके आते हैं वहां से, you know, जो भी best होते हैं. Now investment banks में होता क्या है, you are sitting in a department that takes a call for the bank where you want to, you know, invest money. Yeah, so basically आपके पास में, you know, पूरे बैंक के अंदर आपके पास में हजारों करोड़ों रुपए आ गए हैं, अब उसको करें क्या? तो ये IB वाले जो बंदे होते हैं, they are experts in analyzing the markets, they are experts in analyzing the macro environment, micro environment. So they have a good combination of economic understanding, fundamental understanding of companies' financials, technical understanding of company financials. They do all of that, and using all of that information, the investment banking arm of these banks work. Yeah, they will tell the bank कहाँ पैसे लगाने, कहाँ से पैसे निकालने, कौन सी कंट्री में पैसे लगाने. Yeah, so a lot of these banks, जैसे इंडिया का मार्केट अच्छा होता है तो यूएस, यूके, सब जगह से पैसे इंडिया में आ जाते हैं. जैसे यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ होने लगती है, देनों की अभी यहाँ से भाग जाना चाहिए, तो यहाँ से सारा फंड लेके चले जाते हैं. I'm sure you would have heard the, you know, the term FIIs, right? Foreign institutional investors. ये कई बारी आपके investment bankers के through आपके पैसे यहाँ लेके आते हैं, right? Similarly, there is something called as wealth management. Now, wealth management can be done at a bank level. Wealth management is done at an individual level as well. Yeah. So people become experts in the same thing that an IB does, but at an individual level. उनको पता है कि भाई आज मुझे Reliance में पैसे लगाने हैं, आज मुझे गोल्ड खरीदना है, आज मुझे किसी का डेट फंड खरीदना है, आज मुझे FD में डालना है. Yeah. So the wealth managers are of course a lot smaller than say an IB arm, but they will do a similar kind of understanding of the market. They will have a similar kind of understanding of the market, and they will invest for you. Yeah. So wealth managers क्या करते हैं? These boutique firms, okay? There are boutique firms, छोटे firms हैं. Believe me, one of my friends, he works in one of these wealth management firms. Before COVID, उन्होंने महीने के bonuses लाखों रुपए में कमाए हैं. Yeah, because they are wealth managers. अगर उनकी bets अच्छी लगी, उन्होंने सही जगह पे invest किया, bonus आता है, dividends आता है, ये सारा इनको भी मिलता है. Yeah, so again, it is all about your skill. You need to know where to put these monies in. Okay. Then you have something called as valuation. ये valuation वाले भी आपके under investment banks ही काम करते हैं, जिसमें आपके पास में valuation भी आ जाता है, research and advisory भी आ जाता है. Now what are these people doing? Yeah, valuation में again थोड़ा सा FM वालों के लिए है, people who are doing FM, who've learned FM, they will know कि भाई जब आप कंपनी को खरीदते हो, yeah, when you are going to buy a company, there are various ways of valuing a company. अभी आप उसके एसेट के बेसिस पे कर सकते हो, आप उसके शेयर्स के बेसिस पे कर सकते हो, आप उसकी you know फ्यूचर अर्निंग्स के बेसिस पे कर सकते हो. या सो देयर आर दीज 3 मेथड्स ऑफ वैल्यूइंग अ बिजनेस. सो ये आपके जो होते हैं वैल्यूअर्स, दे आर सिटिंग इन दीज बिग बैंक्स, चाहे फिर वो you know गोल्डमैन सैक्स हो, UBS हो, JP Morgan हो, क्रेडिट स्विस हो, या दे आर ऑल्सो सिटिंग एट बिग 4 फर्म्स. अर्नस्ट एंड यंग में भी बैठे होंगे, डिलॉयट में होंगे, KPMG में, PwC में, यहाँ ये सारे बैठे हुए हैं, and they are advising their clients. दे आर टेलिंग द क्लाइंट्स कि भाई जैसे कि अभी जियो ने जब उन्होंने अपनी अभी स्टॉक्स अपने शेयर्स बेचना शुरू किए, यू डोंट थिंक राइट कि मुकेश अंबानी ने बोला कि मुझे जियो के शेयर्स बेचने हैं, मार्क जुकरबर्ग सुबह उठा बोला अरे मुकेश अंबानी भाई ने तो खोला हुआ है, लेट्स बाय सम जियो के शेयर्स, और उसने 40-50 हजार करोड़ दे दिए। इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट, ये सब प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट है, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट लिस्टेड ऑलरेडी। प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट थी, उन्होंने ऑफ कोर्स थ्रू एजेंसीज दे वर्क थ्रू इट कि भाई क्या फेसबुक ये वैल्यू पे ये शेयर्स बाय कर सकता है, बेसिस दैट डील वेंट थ्रू, ठीक है, because you're talking about several billion dollars, right? It's not a छोटा मोटा amount. तो आपके पास में ये investment banks होते हैं, they are the people who will advise Facebook also, they will advise Jio also कि भाई देखो ये प्राइस पे आप खरीदो, ये प्राइस पे आप बेचो, okay? So valuers, and along with the valuers, research and advisory, because अब जैसे कि for example I am say Mukesh Ambani and I have lots of money. Now, I don't know what I need to buy, where should I buy? I will go to maybe Goldman Sachs and I'll tell them, look, I want to grow. मैंने organic growth देख ली है, अब मुझे acquisitions करने हैं. You go to the market, find out which are the best companies that I can buy. मेरे पास में ये 5,000 करोड़ पड़े हुए हैं, मुझे जुकरबर्ग ने दिए हुए हैं, मैं उसमें से अब खरीदना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है? तो अब ये आपकी Goldman Sachs क्या करेगी? They will go out, they will look for companies that are ideal match for Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries, and they will take all of that money and start investing. Yeah, अब वो चाहे startup में हो, चाहे वो new already well established companies हो, the research and advisory teams will do all of that research and let their parties know कि भाई पैसे कहाँ लगाने चाहिए, पैसे कहाँ नहीं लगाने चाहिए. Yeah, so your finance अगर आप देखो तो इसी के अंदर शेप अप हो जाता है, बिकॉज एज आई सेड इट इज अबाउट पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, इट इज अबाउट पैसे कहाँ लगेंगे. तो चाहे फिर वो आप इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स है जो पूरे बैंक के लिए कर रहा है, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट है जो इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए कर रहे हैं, वैल्यूएशन RNA, these guys are advising, या इन्वेस्टमेंट का करना है. सो एज यू कैन सी आपका ये फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंटिंग टुगेदर. अच्छा, मैंने क्या किया हुआ है, मैंने आपको ये एरियाज जहां जॉब्स होती हैं, इसके अंदर फिर आपके पास में अलग अलग पोजीशंस होती है. आप एसोसिएट होंगे, सीनियर एसोसिएट होंगे, कंसल्टेंट होंगे, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट होंगे, प्रिंसिपल होंगे, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट होंगे, डायरेक्टर होंगे, CFO होंगे. द रोल्स आर लिमिटलेस. यहाँ एक आपको रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पर्पसेस के लिए, दिस इज मैंने खुद ने नहीं बनाया हुआ है, देयर इज पे स्केल करके एक इंटरनेशनल कंपनी है, उन्होंने हम जो रोल्स की बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए उन्होंने एक टेबल दिया हुआ था, मैंने उनसे लिया हुआ है. एज यू कैन सी रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर जाने देते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट समथिंग लार्जली कम्स इनटू योर इंटरेस्ट, इवन दो रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करना सबका इवेंचुअली काम हो जाता है. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट आवर प्राइमरी रोल्स विच इज कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट, जो मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट होते हैं, ये 6 to 10 lakhs कमाते हैं विद देयर एवरेज एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ से 3 to 6 years. आपके रिस्क मैनेजर हैं, अब जो रिस्क मैनेजर हैं दे आर टिपिकली और ऑडिट वाले, ठीक है? तो ऑडिट रोल्स में जो टिपिकली होते हैं जैसे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हो गए, ACCAs हो गए, ये सारे आपके विद अबाउट से 5 years 7 years एक्सपीरियंस, 11 लाख 20 लाख. अब इसके अंदर फिर आप जैसे जैसे प्रमोट होते जाते हो, एज यू गेट मोर एंड मोर एक्सपीरियंस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोलर विद से 8 to 10 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस 20 लाख 22 लाख 40 लाख, या CFO 15 साल 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया 40 लाख 80 लाख. These are all averages, by the way, yeah. But feel free, there is pay scale करके वेबसाइट है, आप वहां जाके चेक कर सकते हो. You can go to Glassdoor करके, there is another website where you can go. You can go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn पे आपको आंखों देखी हाल मिल जाता है, because you look at the job, a lot of the jobs will tell you कि भाई क्या उनकी brackets है salaries की. So ये दिखाने का रीजन यही है that you are in a right area. It is about making sure that you have the right skills, you have the right knowledge to be able to grab these opportunities, because these opportunities are unlimited. Yeah. So because ये normally question आता है, hence I have put in this slide. Now एक छोटा सा disclaimer ये है that because we are in the business of imparting educational training, so a lot of these courses you will think अरे ये तो हमने अपने ही कोर्स बता दिए, and it is natural because हमने भी वही कोर्स रखे हुए हैं जिससे लोगों को आगे जॉब्स मिलती है. So it is a coincidence, yeah, but there is no hidden agenda here. For example, एक तो आप लोगों को सबको अपनी जो बेसिक डिग्री होती है, जैसे B.Com है, BAF है, BMS है, BBA है, whatever it is, please make sure that you complete them. You can't ignore these degrees. ये आपकी बेसिक फाउंडेशन है. A lot of the अरे कॉलेज में क्या होता है, कॉलेज में तो टाइम पास होता है. Please don't treat it like that. Colleges are not time pass. आपके जो टीचर्स हैं, they are putting in efforts to teach you. Yeah, yes, मैं भी खुद, as I said, मैं खुद मिटी बाई and these colleges I go to, I understand. टीचर्स की अपनी लिमिटेशंस होती है, कॉलेज की अपनी लिमिटेशन होती है, सिलेबस दिया जाता है, सिलेबस के बियॉन्ड हम जा नहीं सकते. Yeah, but again, always think about what you can absorb. Whatever is being imparted, हर चीज में कुछ ना कुछ learning होती है. Yeah, so do that. Besides that, there are other things that you can do. So let's take an example of personal finance or wealth management. If you are interested in doing wealth management, आपको खुद की practice open करनी है. You want to open your small practice where you are advising people कि आप पैसे fixed deposit में लगाओ, आप पैसे gold में लगा दो, share market में लगा दो. All of that, CFP, Certified Financial Planner. It's a fantastic course that you can do. It's a very, very short course, about 5 to 8 months course. It is not at all an expensive course. I think 35-40,000 में course हो जाता है. It gives you a degree, well, not necessarily a degree, but it gives you a certificate. And down the line, you also are allowed to apply for a membership. ये membership देता है आपको practice open करने के लिए एक certificate. Yeah, so you can do that if you are interested in it. Now these are typically for people who are good at speaking. उनको convincing करना अच्छा लगता है, उनको markets अच्छा understanding है. Go for in these fields. Audits, taxation, हमारे जैसे sir जैसे, रमेश sir जैसे, if we like audits, taxations, accounting, reporting, आप chartered accountant बनो, CA करो, ACCA करो. ACCA is a new qualification. When I say new qualification, it is not brand new, 100 साल पुरानी qualification है. इंडिया में अभी आना शुरू हुई है. साउथ में 10-12 साल से ऑलरेडी है, लेकिन मुंबई, पुणे, महाराष्ट्र में अब जाके थोड़ा बहुत नोन हुआ है, राइट? सो वी टीच ACCA. I am an ACCA myself, and as you can see, I have done the same kind of jobs that any chartered accountant will do. Then when you talk about banking, banking is another very, very good opportunity area. Now जब लोग बैंक के बारे में सोचते हैं ना, तो लोगों को लगता है कि ब्रांच में जाके बैठना पड़ेगा. It is not at all like that. ब्रांच, वो बोलते हैं ना कि वो जो पहाड़ होता है, पहाड़ का वही जो टिप होता है, yeah, it is that tip that you see in the branch. There is a lot of work that goes behind the closed doors. Back office में बहुत सारी jobs होती है, accounts, finance, and all the other fields that we spoke about. Yeah. Now, again, we provide a course like PGCPF, which is a postgraduate certificate in banking and finance. इसमें क्या होता है? If you are interested in a banking job, private bank हो गए, international banks हो गए, you can do this course. बहुत ही छोटा सा course है. Again, it is hardly 3-4 months. Very, very reasonably priced. I think 30,000, 40,000 का course है. And we provide you placement as well at a bank. Yeah. So that is again something that you can do. If you are interested in cost accounting, management accounting, forecasting, etc., CMA कर लो. CMA is a very good option. Now CMA आपके पास में दो options होते हैं, एक इंडिया का CMA है और एक US का CMA है. We do US CMA, and because I know a lot about US CMA, is that it's a very again relatively easier मैं बोलूँगा, because उसमें आपके दो ही papers होते हैं, and within a year you can complete that course and you can work at Big Fours, MNCs, etc., etc. तो जो भी आप यहाँ courses देख रहे हैं, these are all going to get you jobs in MNCs, in Big Fours, etc., right? Like investment banking. बहुत से लोग investment banking के बारे में पूछते हैं, सर IB में कैसे जाना है? IB में one very good way of doing it is या तो CFA कर लें आप लोग, which is a chartered financial analyst, या तो आप MBA करें. MBA लेकिन you need to do it from a very good college. Yeah. So, you know, जैसे कि IIM etc. Those are the colleges which are able to place their people in good banks. Yeah. तो अगर आप MBA करोगे जो renowned नहीं है, जो आपको ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करा रहा है, तो फिर वो करके फायदा नहीं है. Yeah. So you're just gonna waste your time and effort. Either then you do some professional courses, at least जिसकी आपको market में, people know them. Okay. So let me see what time do I have. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So I have done my bit. I wanted to talk about ACCA slightly more. What I can do is that maybe I will pick the questions because वो questions में भी ACCA के questions आ ही जाते हैं because लोग देते हैं ACCA का कोई बेटा इनसे पूछते हैं, right? So I will not run through those slides, but most importantly, before I end, remember guys, आप CA करें, ACCA करें, CMA करें, CFP करें, IIM करें, जो भी करें, yeah. Please make sure that you have the right attitude. The attitude cannot be bought. It cannot be purchased. It is something that comes internally. Yeah. You need to make sure keep passion, persistence, focus. Always develop on these very important qualifications. Yeah. These are your qualifications जो आप खुद develop करते हो. आपको कोई ये college नहीं दे पाएगा. ये आपको खुद से develop करना है. ये आपको खुद से learn करना है. I see so many people, अरे एक बार किया नहीं हुआ, दो बार किया नहीं हुआ. No, persistence बनो. It is always about pushing yourself. It is always about pushing the boundaries. Look outside, बोलते हैं ना, think out of the box. Yeah. So think beyond boundaries. Make sure that attitude is right because as rightly I put in here, attitude will always make the difference. Okay. So with that, I end my session for today. Thank you so much for listening in. I now open session for questions.
Chat box में questions है ना?
All right. Bharat sir, do you want me to start reading the question myself? It's easier.
Yeah, you can start, sir.
Yeah, so I will quickly run through the questions and I'll answer, okay? So we have Kriti, to work as a finance executive, which degree is necessary, BAF or BCom will do? See, BAF में क्या होता है? You learn a lot of topics which are highly in demand. चाहे फिर वो FM related हो, चाहे वो management accounting related हो, चाहे वो taxation हो. Yeah, so my personal preference is for BAF. However, ऐसा नहीं है, मैंने खुद ने BCom ही किया था. Yeah, so it is not कि BCom किया तो शायद कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. But yes, a lot people are asking for BAF than BCom. But whatever you do, as long as you're able to absorb BCom वाला भी aspects अगर आप अच्छे से absorb करते हो, implement करते हो, you get a good job. Okay. So I hope I've answered your question. I have an anonymous who says, I'm studying in BCom first year. I want to clear bank PO exam. Please suggest how I can clear my competitive exam. I'll be honest, I can't see, your name here, but I have very limited knowledge on the banking exams done by, the official exams that do take place. But I am aware that there are institutes that can train you for these competitive exams. Maybe if you're not comfortable, you can join one of these institutes. You can, because they tell you how to crack these exams, and also they provide you with question bank, mock exams, etc. that help you prepare for these. Yeah. So if you go yourself, आप बिना मतलब का अगर आपके पास में right level of knowledge information नहीं है, preparation नहीं है, you will go there बिना मतलब का time भी waste करोगे, पैसे भी waste करोगे. Better है seek expert help, because as you rightly pointed out, these are competitive exams. Yeah. So they require you to be very, very well prepared. Okay. CPE क्या होता है? CPE is continuous professional experience. जैसे कि NISM में होता है कि if you are in a market, you need to be constantly updated with what's happening on a regular basis. Yeah, these are some of the requirements for professionals. जैसे रमेश सर भी बोलेंगे, सर इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, मैं ACCA हूँ. हम सबको वी आर सपोज टू एंश्योर दैट वी अटेंड सर्टेन ट्रेनिंग्स, या हमें उसको CPD बोलते हैं, कंटिन्यूअस प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स, वेयर यू हैव टू कॉन्स्टेंटली अपडेट योरसेल्फ, अदरवाइज आपकी वो डिग्री ले लेंगे आपसे. या सो CP इज समथिंग लाइक दैट फॉर NISM. ओके, ऑलराइट. Who to pursue CS? How to pursue CS है या who to see? कौन CS pursue कर सकता है? अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन है आपका साक्षी, so CS can be pursued by anyone. After 12th आप चालू हो जाओ, CS की क्लास लगा लो, CS की बुक्स लेके आके बैठ जाओ. Again remember, CA और CS में एक की फर्क सिर्फ ये हो जाता है that you've got a lot of law legal requirements that you need to know. Yeah. Whereas CA में it is all about, you know, accounting, taxation, auditing. Yeah. So अगर आपको legal side of things आपको अच्छा लगता है, you want to learn, you like, you enjoy the sections, etc. I personally don't, but if you like to do that, you can pursue CS. ठीक है? I hope you're doing well. Yes, Priya, thank you, doing well. Attended a webinar accounting. Which explain yesterday about taxation. So my questions to you. What will the condition of all various job sectors post-pandemic, like competition or increase in market? Okay, very good. So Priya has asked a very important question, I think, for all of you, is that ये सारी चीजें ठीक है, you know, हम सारे courses की बात कर रहे हैं, but what is going to happen in the sector, you know, because of the pandemic? Of course, you know, there is no running away from the fact that it is going to be tough. It is going to be a tough few quarters ahead of us. It is going to be difficult for most of the organizations. And when I talk about most of the organizations, I'm not only talking about कि भाई MSMEs हैं, small companies हैं, even the likes of you know, blue chip companies, चाहे फिर वो Tata हो, Reliance हो, सबके लिए तकलीफ है, right? Everyone is going to struggle, ठीक है? Because जितनी बड़ी company उतनी बड़ी problem, okay? But the thing is that like this pandemic, we have had issues in past that looked like कि बस दुनिया अब खत्म होने वाली है. It is Armageddon, and you know, ऊपर वाले का नाम लो, छोड़ देते हैं सारी चीजें. But ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है. So I would like to believe that you know, there is still you know, बोलते हैं ना कि इस रात की सुबह नहीं है, इस रात की सुबह है. You know, let's keep that in mind. It will pass. What you do right now is very important. You don't want to be sitting home and spending your time and hours and efforts watching Netflix, Instagram, TikTok, especially TikTok, to please uninstall karo. But you know, make sure that you are spending time updating yourself. Yeah, please, there are lots of courses which are available online for free also. Unko dekho. There are lots of YouTube videos which are very good, which will help you update yourself. चाहे फिर वो फाइनेंस रिलेटेड हो, अकाउंटिंग रिलेटेड हो, शेयर मार्केट्स हो, रिपोर्टिंग, IFRS. वी पुट अ लॉट्स ऑफ कंटेंट ऑन. सो आप लोग जितने भी हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 140 लोग, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग एकेडमी का यूट्यूब चैनल है, सब्सक्राइब करो हम लोगों को. वी कॉन्स्टेंटली पुट, यू नो, अपडेट्स अराउंड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट, व्हाट आर द कोर्सेज एंड टॉपिक्स दैट यू नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ. या सो अपडेट योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज इफ यू थिंक कि पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे, शायद कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला है, होने नहीं वाला है, अगर आप ऐसे सोच के चलोगे, when things actually बोलते हैं ना bounce back करेगी, you will struggle, because everyone who did not think like, you know, you did या anyone else did, या पता नहीं कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, वो सारे आगे निकल जाएंगे because उन्होंने अपने आप को अपडेट किया था. So this is Priya, sorry, this is not a message for you, it is for everyone. Yeah, so please don't take it कि मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. I know you asked in the right sense, okay? So it is for everyone. Stop wasting your time. Stop spending all your day on Netflix, Amazon, and Insta, and whatever not apps you have right now. Please start updating. Yeah, you need to update. देखो, I am not that old that I've forgotten कि मजा क्या होता, मस्ती क्या होती. मैं इतना बुढ़ा नहीं हुआ. Okay? Ramesh sir हंस रहे हैं. Yeah, so I am not so far away from having fun. Okay? I also like to have fun. मुझे भी Netflix बहुत पसंद है. But I try to balance, and so is what I request from you as well. हाँ? आप लोग भी बैलेंस करो. ओके, सोहेल पूछ रहा है which college is best for CA course. See, CA is a professional degree, Sohail. You know, you don't need a college for that. आपके पास में, you know, there are enough material available. आप अगर खुद से कर सकते हो सोहेल, तो खुद दबा के मेहनत करो. If you're not comfortable, join any classes for CA. There are lots of good players depending on where you stay. Jैसे JK Shah is one of the big names there. PDLC is another big name. You know, you can go to these guys, you know, and start appearing and preparing for CA. अगर आपको लगता है CA, you may not want to do it. ACCA is another good option that you can look at. And if you want to know more about ACCA, I will share my number in a bit. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see my number. Yeah, it is मेरा number और mail ID इधर ही है. So before people start to log out, if you want to take down my number, you know, this is my number. You can connect with me as well if you need any information about these courses. Yeah. So it's 9326501302. Okay. And zahir@fpa.edu.in. So you can connect with me. This is a WhatsApp number if you need more information. Okay. Can engineering students do financial planning? Oh my God, Ram, you will not believe. इंजीनियरिंग के बच्चों ने सारे सीए वाली जॉब्स ले लिए है. क्या करूं मैं? हम लोग जो करते थे वो सारे आईआईटी के बच्चों ने लेना शुरू कर दिया है. So what's happening is, Ram, is that most of the people, because engineering students, let's face it, you know, we can't take that away. You know, being a chartered, even I can't take that away. That you guys are good at maths, you guys are really strong at statistics. तो आप लोग जो मॉडलिंग करते हो फाइनेंशियल्स को देख के, बैलेंस शीट को देख के, वो हमसे बेटर होती है. या सो इसलिए a lot of people IIT के बाद में they do an MBA in finance from IIM, so that उनको फाइनेंस भी समझ में आ गया क्या होता है. IIT में आप वैसे ही ट्यून्ड होते हो कि हाउ टू यू नो मैथ्स, यू नो आपका इतना वैसे ही जीनियस होते हो आप. सो यू नो यस, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग भी कर सकते हो आप, ऑडिट भी कर सकते हो आप, सब कर सकते हो. आपको पता होना चाहिए राम दैट आज के टाइम पे जितने भी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज हैं जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करती हैं, या जैसे कि एल्गो ट्रेडिंग बोलते हैं इसको, एल्गोरिथम्स बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग होती है, ये सारे आपके इंजीनियर्स ही कर रहे हैं. इंजीनियर्स कोड बनाते हैं और वो ट्रेड ऑटोमेटिकली करता रहता है कंप्यूटर. या सो इफ यू आर एन इंजीनियर, गो फॉर इट. Do students need extra training after BCom to earn jobs in accounting and finance? See, Sangeeta, ये कैसे है मालूम है? It is a lot to do with आपका लक भी होता है, where are you looking for jobs, टाइमिंग का भी होता है. But when you do extra courses, okay, what it does is, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर you know आपने CA नहीं किया, ACCA नहीं किया, CFP नहीं किया, CMA नहीं किया तो आपकी जॉब नहीं होगी. It is not like that. Okay, please don't. Again, this is not the message that I'm here to say कि आप ये सब करोगे तभी आपका करियर आगे जाएगा. It is not like that. There are enough people out there in the market जो BCom, BAF, 12th के बाद भी, मेरा छोटा भाई है उसने सिर्फ ग्रेजुएशन किया, मुझसे 3 गुना ज्यादा पैसा कमाता है. Okay, so it is not like that. Yeah, it is about how are you able to use whatever you have learned in the best manner possible. तो अगर आपने BCom, BAF किया हुआ है, start your career, you know, and you can quite easily make good as well. The big thing that does make a difference when you do these courses, चाहे आप CA करो, CS करो, is that जब आप jobs के लिए जाते हो, अगर कोई job के लिए 2 इंटरव्यू जाते हैं, एक है जो without a professional degree है और एक है जिसके पास में professional degree है, वहां professional degree को preference मिल जाता है. Yeah, and because it is competition है, आज के टाइम पे competition है, right? So if there is going to be so much competition, you don't want to lose out because आपने extra effort or time नहीं डाला to become, because you could have done it. Anyone can do CA, anyone can do ACCA. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि you know it is only for the rich, it is only for the preferable people. So because you don't want to lose out on the competition, hence it is required. Yeah, otherwise मैंडेटरी नहीं है. BCom के during what additional courses you can do? See, all the courses that I talk about, CA, CS, ACCA, CFA, ये सारे आप while you are doing your BCom you can do. So the best thing is that आप जैसे ही फिर आपका graduation होता है, आपके हाथ में professional degree होती है. So you can pick up any of them, but of course it is all depending upon your preference. You know, आपको क्या लगता है? फाइनेंस में जाना है, अकाउंटिंग में जाना है. या ओके प्रिया, प्रिया का एक और क्वेश्चन. क्वालिफायर eventually I ended up taking commerce, very scored science, photography. How do I choose and what ways commerce will help me in my last job, government next year? So see Priya, to be honest, अगर अब ये भी एक बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ मैं थोड़ा सा अटकता हूँ, इज बिकॉज सी आई वांट टू एडवाइज यू कि फॉलो योर पैशन. ओके, पैशन फॉलो करो. फोटोग्राफी है तो फोटोग्राफी फॉलो करो एंड बिकम यू नो द बेस्ट फोटोग्राफर ऑन द प्लैनेट एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी. सी होता क्या है प्रिया कि व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दीज स्किल, highly skill based jobs, unless you are the greatest, you are not necessarily making lot of money. Yeah, तो golf खेलने वाले बहुत हैं बाहर, cricket खेलने वाले बहुत हैं बाहर. Yeah, but the only people that are making money or made money was say Sachin Tendulkar or Tiger Woods. Yeah, so it is important that you understand if you are really good at what you do and you are passionate about it, yes, pursue it. But the reality is कि आपको खाने के लिए दाल चावल रोटी लगेगा और उसके लिए आपको पैसे चाहिए, और वो पैसे अगर आपके ये पैशन से आते हैं तो well and good. Otherwise, you know, the reality is unfortunately that you have to have a job, a career which is going to help you get money. ठीक है? So as I said, 3 Idiots देख के मुझे भी अच्छा लगा था. मैं सबको बोल दूं follow your passion and you know become, you know, क्या नाम था उसका, इरफान इमरान Farhan. Yeah, but the point is it's a movie. Yeah, so not everyone gets a call from, you know, Amazon के forest से. So if you think you are super duper good, follow that. Otherwise तुम्हारे ही, जैसे कि तुम बोल रहे हो तुमने साइंस नहीं ले पाए, तुमने कॉमर्स लिया है. See, in commerce there are equally good opportunities like we spoke about. See, if finance interests you, maybe finance में आप जाके आगे advisory में आ सकते हो, because science में आप जा रहे थे, I don't know what exactly you thought of. Research and advisory में आ जाओ, valuation में आ जाओ. You know, these are good professions to be in. Sir, Ritika ने पूछा है, pursuing MBA not value enough. See, Ritika, MBA करना अच्छी बात है, masters है, but again it is important where you are pursuing from. If you pursue it from the right place, you get the right skills, they provide you placement opportunities, go for it. Okay. See, अगर आपको CA बनना है, श्री जी, don't wait, चालू कर दो ट्रेनिंग. या टेक अप अ कोचिंग, स्टार्ट सिटिंग. तुमने अगर फाउंडेशन नहीं किया हुआ है अभी कर लो, अगर नहीं करना है तो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में अच्छे मार्क्स लेके आना, तो तुम्हारा फाउंडेशन एग्जाम हो जाएगा. बट श्री जी, नाउ इज द टाइम. डोंट वेट फॉर एनीवन टू एक्चुअली टेल यू कि तुम ये कर लेना, वो कर लेना. ढूंढो, रिसर्च करो. आप लोग सबके पास आजकल यू नो स्मार्टफोन्स हैं. देयर आर प्लेसेस लाइक कोरा में आप क्वेश्चन डालोगे, 100 लोग आते हैं आंसर करने के लिए. मतलब ऐसे तो आपके पास में आज के टाइम पे प्लेटफॉर्म है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे टाइम पे बहुत कम थे. रमेश सर के टाइम पे तो हम श्योर कुछ भी नहीं था. ही मस्ट हैव डन इट ऑल हिमसेल्फ. या तो उनको नसीब से किसी ने बोला होगा सीए कर लो, तो उन्होंने वो सुना होगा, किया होगा. हमारे टाइम पे फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत एडवाइस हमारे टीचर्स कर देते थे. नाउ यू हैव गॉट इनफ प्लेसेस टू गो एंड चेक. ओके, लिंक्डइन पे जाओ, कोरा पे जाओ. You know, there are enough available to find out where to start from, who to approach, etc. Yeah. Sohail, कोई उसमें सोहेल रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. या बट अगर आपके पास, अगर आपको 60 के नीचे आ रहा है सोहेल, मैं वैसे ही शायद सीए के लिए मना कर दूंगा. अगर आपको 12 में उतना नहीं आ रहा है, then you will probably need to work harder. Yeah, and CA, ACCA, ये सारे क्वालिफिकेशन में बहुत मेहनत लगती है. Yeah, so you don't want to don't want to be taking chances. Okay. Gayatri, risk management. Okay, risk management is another very thriving sort of a career option. There are people who do FRM, which is financial risk management. It's a good qualification. It helps you understand lots around how to be proactive, and there are multiple models that you can use, है ना. रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में भी बहुत सारे मॉडल्स होते हैं, और वो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में भी हर डिफरेंट टाइप का रिस्क होता है. ऑपरेशनल होगा, फाइनेंशियल होगा, बिजनेस का होगा, लीगल का होगा. सो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज आर trying to make sure that they have at least someone who is good at risk management, because you know, as times like these come in, जैसे कि हमारा अभी कोविड चल रहा था, no one ever must have dreamed in their life कि उनको अपने businesses 3 महीने 4 महीने बंद करने पड़ेंगे. Can you imagine, ये जो आपके मॉल वाले हैं जिन्होंने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी दुकानें लेके रखी है, और वो दुकानों में माल भी है. मैं रेंट तो चलो जाने दो, आप सोचो वो सारे जो माल है अंदर, उसमें वो लग जाता है, मॉस लग जाता है, वो फंगस लग जाता है. चीजें लेदर की शूज होते हैं, गंदे हो जाते हैं, सड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं. You know, I was speaking to someone. This guy, he owns one of the largest bookstore in Mumbai. या उनके ओनर ने मुझे आज फोन किया सामने से ये बोलने के लिए, सर आप कुछ बुक्स नहीं ले रहे आजकल ACCA के. मतलब इतना तो टाइम आ गया, इतने बड़े बड़े ओनर फोन कर रहे हैं सामने से. एंड उनको तो कभी रीच आउट ही नहीं करते, उनके बंदे भी नहीं बात करते थे. तो आज वो सामने से, मैंने पूछा सर क्या हो गया, बोलते सर हमारी जो गोडाउन में बुक्स पड़ी थी चूहे खा गए. तो यू कैन इमेजिन, these are the kind of things लोगों ने risk manage नहीं किया था. So if you are someone who can think about these things, you know, go into this career option, right? I think there are enough. बहुत सारे questions आए जा रहे हैं. रमेश सर, I think हमको एक सेशन सिर्फ Q&A के लिए रखना पड़ेगा. There are some 80 questions in your chat as well. तो guys देखो, I have given you my mail ID, okay? So you have my mail ID. You can reach out to me. You have my mobile number. It's a WhatsApp number. I am, जैसे सर ने बोला, I am a very humble person. आप मुझे message करोगे, I will reply to you. So don't worry about it. If you still have any questions, I'm really sorry because timing का भी limit है. Yeah. So you know, feel free to WhatsApp me. I will be more than happy to you know, help you guys out. Okay? So I hope you found this session helpful and worthwhile, especially जो मेरे colleagues, faculties, etc. हैं, they were able to learn a thing or two about what are the new career options available. ठीक है? So over to Bharat sir, आपके, you know, over to you sir.
Yeah, thank you sir. For any queries you can reach out to sir. The phone number and email ID is on the screen. You can take a snap or note down. So all's well that ends well. Now I call upon Professor Sunil Khatri from our accountancy department to propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, one and everyone. Before presenting my formal vote of thanks for today's fantastic, amazing, and very informative webinar on careers in finance and accounting presented at our R.K. Talreja College of Arts, Science and Commerce in collaboration with Financial Planning Academy, I request one and all to give a big applause to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this webinar on careers in finance and accounting to all the dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank our today's chief guest and a very energetic young speaker, Mr. Zair Sayed, Director Financial Planning Academy, who honored this webinar with his inspirational thoughts and knowledge about stability of jobs, financial management, management of corporations, constant learning from bookkeeping to financial management and wealth management, investing money to earn money. Your knowledge is immense, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to thank our patron, Honorable Secretary Sevasadan, Mr. Sanjay Dabrai, for his contribution towards the cause of education. I would like to thank our respected chairperson, in-charge principal, R.K. Talreja College, Dr. Geeta Menon, and vice principal, Ms. Neelam Kapoor, for extending their wholehearted support to make this event possible. I would like to thank Professor FCA Ramesh H. Baveja, sir, Head Department of Accountancy, the convener of this webinar, for his initiative to add values in our lives through this platform. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Associate Professor Varghese Alexander, Senior Faculty, Department of Accountancy of our college, for his well-organized coordination for smooth conduct of this event. My vote of thanks will be incomplete if I miss out the efforts of members of our Department of Accountancy, Professor Ms. Alka Golani, Professor Ms. Vanita Adnani, Professor ACA Bharat Khatri, Professor Sangeeta Jagia, and Mr. Vishal Gada and his technical team from Financial Planning Academy for the smooth conduct of this event. Last but not the least, thank you all the participants and students for your interest in the topic which made you attend this webinar so patiently I am sure this webinar will make valuable difference in your career path ahead in life. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, feedback link.
Feedback link. Yeah, let me just quickly check with the guys. I think वो उसमें आ गया होगा. Just 1 second.
All participants should give their feedback, and thereafter the certificate, e-certificate will be issued to them. Thank you.
So I declare the webinar as closed. Thanks to all.